Imagine if building something was as easy as stacking Lego bricks layer by layer, right where you want it. That's basically the idea behind 3D printing, or what the pros call additive manufacturing. Instead of cutting or drilling away at a chunk of metal or plastic, 3D printing adds material, layer by layer, to create something completely new. It's like drawing in 3 dimensions. But here's the cool part, there's not just one way to do this. There are several different types of 3D printing, each with its own quirks. First up, fused deposition modeling, or FDM. Picture a hot glue gun, but way more precise. It melts plastic and lays it down in thin lines, building up your object one layer at a time. FDM is affordable and perfect for quick prototypes, but the surface can sometimes look a little rough, like tree rings on a log. Next, there's stereolithography, or SLA. This one's almost like magic. Imagine a laser drawing shapes in a pool of liquid resin wherever the laser hits. The resin hardens, layer by layer. The result? Super smooth and detailed parts. The downside, the materials can be pricier and a bit brittle. Selective laser sintering, or SLS, takes things up a notch. Think of it as a high-tech sandbox. A laser zaps powder, plastic, metal, or even ceramic, and fuses it together. Since the leftover powder supports the object, you can make complex shapes without worrying about them collapsing. SLS is great for making strong, functional parts, but the machines are expensive and the process is a bit slow. Then there's direct metal laser sintering, or DMLS. This is basically SLS, but for hardcore metals. You can print things like engine parts or custom jewelry straight from metal powder. Super strong, super precise, but yeah, those machines cost a fortune. Now let's talk about advantages. 3D printing lets me make stuff fast. With almost no waste, if I can dream it up, I can print it. Customization is easy, and it's perfect for complex shapes that would be nearly impossible to carve or mold. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Some printers are slow, materials can be expensive, and most machines have size limits. Plus, not every part is as strong as something made the old school way. So, where does 3D printing shine? Prototyping for sure. If I'm inventing something, I can hold a rough draft in my hands within hours. It's huge in medicine for making custom implants, and in aerospace for lightweight parts. Even artists and designers use it to bring wild ideas to life. In the end, 3D printing is like having a magic toolbox. The technology keeps getting better, so who knows, someday soon, we might print just about anything we can think of.